Chief Minister Punjab Sardar Usman Buzdar Monday inaugurated 115 land record centers, satellite land record center and 20 mobile land centers during his visit to the Board of Revenue. He also chaired a meeting to review institutional reforms and performance of the Punjab Land Record Authority, Punjab Disaster Management Authority and Board of Revenue. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said registry system has been computerized in 100 tehsils, while land record services will be provided at the level of Moza in 32 Kanun Goi through satellite land record center. The government is also extending the land transfer system in the whole of the province after the registry through an automated process. In this regard, Chief Minister explained that overseas land record centers have also been established in Pakistan embassies in the United States, the United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates for expatriate Pakistanis. Meanwhile, the tree plantation drive is also started and people are getting services without any gratification or bribe, he stressed. Such steps are unique and the dream of a digital Punjab has been materialized by the government. The Chief Minister further said matters pertaining to land record became victim to the personal ego, but the incumbent government has created ease in the lives of the citizens. Addressing the relevant meeting, the Chief Minister disclosed that a committee has been constituted for the restructuring of Board of Revenue field staff and open courts are planned on first working day of every month to provide prompt services to the people. The PTI government has started printing and upgradation of Jamabandi after a decade's gap. Similarly, more than 1.4 lakh acres of land worth more than 1,000 billion rupees has been retrieved from squatters. Usman Buzdar directed to continue action against illegal occupants. Legislation will be done to effectively eradicate the menace of squattering. He made it clear. Usman Buzdar further said a revenue academy will be established in Lahore and the shortage of revenue staff will be soon overcome. A data sharing agreement was also signed between the federal and the provincial BORs on the occasion. Provincial Ministers Malik Muhammad Anwar, Sayyid Samsam Bukhari, Mia Khalid Mahmood, Chairman PLRA Sardar Ahmad Ali Dreshak, Parliamentary Secretary Chaudhry Adnan, SMBR, DGs of PLRA, PDMA and Kachi Abadis, Secretary Information and others were also present.